Hi, in this video we will change the low beam headlight on a 2002 Lexus ES300. The low beam uses a D2R Xenon bulb specifically designed for reflector housings. I've got a separate video for the high beam which uses a 9005 halogen bulb and is much easier to change. I'll link to that above, or subscribe and check out my other videos on this car. So pop the hood and locate the back of the low beam headlight, which is here. The first step is to remove the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. It's a bit stiff, so I used pliers to press the tab and wiggle it off. Once the tab is removed, rotate the plastic housing about 45 degrees counterclockwise to release the tabs. The next cap is this silver cap. Rotate this about 20 degrees counterclockwise to unlock it, then carefully pull it straight off to expose the back of the light bulb. The light bulb is held on by a wire spring. Since this is a very tight fit, I'm going to show you the next step on one of my headlights that got smashed and I ended up replacing. So obviously this isn't in the car, but this is for demonstration purposes. To remove the spring, press the wire loops on either side to unlock them from the little tabs. Then rotate it back and out of the way. Then pull the old light bulb straight out. Note that the starter electrode, the wire coated in black ceramic insulation, is located on the bottom. It's important to put the new bulb in this same orientation. By the way, if this video is helpful, will you like and subscribe? It really helps me out a lot. Thank you. So now I'll show the same thing but in the vehicle. It's a tight fit, so pardon the shakiness of the camera. Unhook the wire tabs, and then the bulb is free to come out. Here's the old broken bulb. Here are the specifications in case that's helpful. I'll also link to the bulbs I bought in the video description below. Alright, so here are the old and new bulbs side by side. So the electrode goes on the bottom and the notches go on the top. Carefully feed the new bulb into the housing with the electrode on the bottom. Here I'll show you on the damaged housing. Put the bulb in and make sure the notches line up properly. Then reseat the wire clips. Note again that the starter electrode is on the bottom. If you're having trouble getting it aligned, you can look into the front of the headlight and rotate it until the ceramic covered electrode is on the bottom, and the bulb housing fits into the notches. So here we're going to latch the metal clips in the car. Here they are properly latched. Next, we'll put the silver cap back on. Note that the notches fit over the two plastic tabs on the rear of the light bulb. So here it is fit over those two tabs. Then rotate it clockwise back to vertical to lock it in place. Next, put the white cover back on. Alright, so fit the white cover back into place and rotate it clockwise about 45 degrees so that the connector is horizontal. Now plug the electrical connector back in until the tab clicks in place. Alright, so that completes the low beam headlight change. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful. And watch my other videos on this car, they might help you out as well. Until next time, all the best.